whatsoever to come and interfere with expenditure of my money. No. I am not happy. I am not happy. This is total abuse. I'm not going to do that. Come on, leave me. Don't even try. Leave me. Don't even try. Don't even try. Don't even try. I have every right to enjoy. You don't abuse me. You don't abuse me. You don't abuse me. This is a hotel. This is a hotel. Why do you have so much? Why do you have such indiscipline? The Zimbabwe Public Police must have discipline. You have no right whatsoever to disturb my peace. This is a hotel. I came for breakfast, and what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do as police? I came for breakfast, and you want to interrupt my peace. March off, back off, go, go, go. Come on, man. This should be a free state. This should be a free economy. This should be a nation that has freedom to do what I want to do. Why would the police come and interfere with my peace? I can't take this. They are allowing the vice president to stay in this hotel, spending government money, spending taxpayers' money. No one is challenging him. He is a criminal up there on floor 17. They can't remove him. They want to remove me from the hotel. I won't take this lightly. I won't compromise for less. Pekazram Koko must move from 17th floor. Go away. Stay in the house that we spent 3.5 million. If this behavior continues, we will tell management of this hotel will be shut. Come on, man. Let's go and enjoy. Chip in. Why you look chip in? Why? Don't I have right to enjoy? I'm in a hotel, supposed to enjoy. Look, Montasabu breakfast. I came for breakfast. You want to disturb me? It means Zimbabwe is not free. We have no right to enjoy. I came for breakfast. This is a hotel.
Make him just have a breakfast in peace for now. I want to come for breakfast in peace. Breakfast in peace.
Breakfast. Come on, march off, police. Go, 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 go. I need to spend my money. I have every right to enjoy my money. I have every right to spend my money. Why should I be terrorized by the Zimbabwe Public Police? Come on. If you please bring guns, bring those guns. Chingono management hotel. The Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe is abusing the funds from fiscus. The Zimbabwe Public Police are allowing to abuse our money. Yet today, I came for simply breakfast in this hotel. The police are trying to terrorize me, harass me, remove me from the hotel. Why can't the hotel management protect me? Why? Why? Poko is refusing to stay in a mansion that we bought, that we used our hard-earned tax money. He's not budging in. Why should this happen? Why? Let us urge the management of this hotel. We want to be human. I have every right to enjoy my money. There's no right for police to behave in the manner they're doing. If this is the attitude, we are going to declare this hotel shut, and we will bring our members out there to protest. I came for breakfast. Where is this harassment coming from? I'm not happy as a Zimbabwean, and I need to declare that the Vice President must leave this place. We are giving him up to Friday, this coming week. If he doesn't, then we are definitely going to declare this hotel shut, or at least tarnish his reputation that it is harboring a criminal on 17th floor. The Vice President is a criminal because he is corruptly using our money. We are not going to take that lightly. Gentlemen, let's go up. Let's go up and enjoy. Let's go up. I just really want to see how they're going to do it. Kuti vagare pahotero panapa vachidya mari yehurumende takavatengera imba. Ini ndinoona kuti kunetenge muku. Ndotadza kutyereni panapa. Usandipushe, don't push me. As an inspector, I didn't push one. I did not push one. Usandipushe. Because I don't know longer to my own. Let me break a cup of tea. It's all right. Okay. I need to see this. Protect the material. Help me.
Can we go have our breakfast?
No.